MicroX1 is providing a unique, high-tech, yet affordable remediation solution to flood-damaged homes. Tested and approved by the World Health Organization, our patented EPA-registered products eliminate 99.999% of microbes, including mold, mildew, and the various toxins that may be present in floodwaters. We disinfect and protect virtually all surfaces, as well as fabrics and the surrounding air, by electrostatic spray of a clear, odorless combination of a powerful disinfectant and a unique patented surface protectant. This provides a long-lasting barrier. This barrier protects from microbes being able to adhere to surfaces and also provides a high-tech layer that physically destroys microbes at the molecular level. This treatment may be used after damaged drywall has been removed, wiped clear of debris, and is meter tested for proper dryness level. It may be sprayed into interior wall spaces and on flooring, and then again for prevention of mold growth after reconstruction begins. Please call for a free estimate.